Go. Okay. Oh no. It's got lead acid batteries because you want the weight instead of lithium.
Yeah.
All right. And let's see, we're at 63 volts. And we're at probably about 80%.
Like a 90.
Okay. So this right here is the gear shift lever. This will raise it up just a little bit. Okay. You're gonna put you in reverse. There's your accelerator. Back her up. Take her out. I got the forks on it.
You?
Yep. Okay. Lift it up. Pull it back. Okay. Now if you
You got a brake on?
no, there's no brake. So this is the tilt.
Oh, okay.
This is the tilt.
Plus.
All right.
Yes.
So again, this is the gear shift lever, and this is for, I think you articulating. The whole front pivots.
Wow.
Wow, that's neat.
This is
Oh
what
my
we're,
God. How do you go forward?
press it up. There you go.
It's cool.
Oh man, I love that front. That's fucking crazy, dude.